Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. This is Kim for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our July kit reveals. If you are seeing this, then that means it is the 1st or after the 1st of July, and we are revealing our monthly kits. If you don't know, Treasure Lee Kit Club is a monthly kit club, and we do 3 kits, plus we do our own laser cut chipboard. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and show you what we've got in our kits this month. Next up, we have our scrapbook kit. Our scrapbook kit retails for $52. That includes your shipping, and you can find it on our website at www.treasureleekits.com. There may still be some in stock, but to avoid not getting one of our fabulous kits, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe while you're over there. You can subscribe to 1 kit, 2 kits, all 3 kits, or any combination of kits that you like. And speaking of subscribing, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below, you hit that notification bell, turn it to all, so that you are notified whenever we upload. And make sure you also like and comment on this video as well. That way, everybody will know that you love our kits as much as we do. Okay, so first up in this kit, we've got some flowers. At Treasure Lee, we like to have lots of flowers in our kit. And so first up, you've got this pack of flowers from a little birdie. And there are 8 pieces in here. Really fun. Next up, you've got these glittery flowers from Prima Marketing. I don't know if you can see the shimmer on them. It might be a little too bright for you to see, but these are some really pretty shimmery flowers. Next up, we've got a yard of this gorgeous lace. How pretty is that? And we've got some chipboard. These are new designs that are in the store as of now. And it is a double heart set. You get both pieces. You're also going to get this pack of French Journey embellishments. These are resin embellishments, lots of fun. And our paper for this month is by Craft-A-Clock. And one thing about Treasure Lee, we like to have kind of hard to get papers in our kits. These papers are from Poland. You may not see them in your local scrapbook store, but you will find them here in our kits. So this line is their brand new Touch of Nostalgia. And on your top sheet, you do get a little bonus sheet. How gorgeous is this paper? It's so, so pretty. It's very vintagey. It kind of reminds me of like the old patterns of wallpaper from back in the day, or the tapestries from back in the day that you see. But so, so very pretty. Look at this, how pretty. And I like that one side you've got, you know, all your graphics, but on your B side, you've got a little more solid sheet. And these papers can be used for masculine or feminine layouts. I see baby layouts with these. I see wedding layouts with these. Just all kinds of projects you could create with this. I see portraits. You know, if you sat and had your portraits done, some family portraits. How about some vintage family portraits on these? It's just super, super pretty. So the first 6 sheets are all from the set, and then we added 2 like basics to go along with it too, in the same colors that were in the kit. So you're getting a total of 8 sheets of paper in this kit. And like I said, the kit can be found on our website at www.treasureleekits.com. Next up, we have our cards, tags, and more kit. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. So for our cards, tags, and more kit, this kit retails for $42. And again, it can be found on the website at www.treasureleekits.com. This kit, we call it cards, tags, and more because you get stuff for cards, or maybe tags, or maybe mini albums, anything that's in your smaller format. If you like smaller format projects, then this is the kit for you. So we're going to start here. We've got these 2 little pink doilies. It gives you an idea of what colors are in the kit. We've got some pretty lace here for you. We've got some chipboard. These are, I forgot what they're called. I'll put them on the bottom of the screen. Look at the pretty flowers that we've got, just gorgeous to go in this kit. We've got a sheet of cutouts of ephemera, and it's double-sided, so you can choose either side. It's just an extra set, just a little something that they gave in. And then you've got this pack of 8 by 8 papers, and you're going to get a total of 24 sheets in here. Wait till you see these papers. They are so, so pretty. What you're getting is both sets. You're getting the design papers, and then you're getting what they call the basics. So look at these, and you're getting 2 sheets of these, because this one tells you what you're getting and this one tells you about the basics in here. But look at the colors on these papers. Absolutely stunning. Just stunning. I can see some fun wedding. Look at this beautiful dream catcher in the backs of these. I can see some beautiful wedding cards with these. I could see some beautiful tags with these. Would make a gorgeous mini album for a wedding. Oh, this is just stunning. Just absolutely stunning. All the texture in these, and again, masculine layouts, feminine layouts, you name it. Oh, so you're getting 2 sheets of the top sheet. So the best part about this is, since you're getting 2 sheets, and we've gone through these already, let's get to the other ones. The best thing about this is that since you're getting 2 sheets of each, you don't have to decide if you want to use the front or the back. You're at that again too. Oh, now wait, this one's different from the first one, I think. It is. So look at those 2 sheets. Just stunning. Different. Just, I am blown away by the colors in this kit. Just super, super rich, super pretty. And these are the basic sheets. As you can see, there's no real graphics on here. And then you get another set too. So yes, we're giving you lots of paper in this kit. And we're still not done. Okay, so we've been through all of those. Let's go through this sheet. These are extra sets, and you're getting 18 of these as well. There's 2 sets of each in here. And the fun thing about these is, because one side, okay, so you've got those and you've got this back side. So one side you're going to get, and they're going to have the white around them. But if you flip it over, you're not going to have the white around it. So if you want to use some from this side, but you also want to use some from this side, you've got a second set. So let's go through these first. So these are your blues. These are the ones with your white around it for all your fussy cutting. And the best thing about it, these flowers, they come in different sizes, so you can layer them on top, so you can make a 3D flower out of it. And you got all these fun leaves and all these gorgeous colors. Just imagine what you can do with the cards with these. And then you've got all these beautiful butterflies and dragonflies, and then all this other ephemera that you get here. So you can go ahead and cut this out. And then you, like I said, you get a second set. So basically you're getting 2 card kits for 1 here. But it's our anniversary and we were feeling generous, so we decided to just go ahead and give it all to you. And so this has been our cards, tags, and more kit. I'll put that back in the paper later. You don't need to see me do that. And again, this kit is $42. And it is available on our website at www.treasureleekits.com. But don't wait for too long, because it may not be there when you get there to get it. Okay, so next up we have our mixed media kit. This kit retails for $47. And again, on the website, www.treasureleekits.com is where you'll find it. And if you don't know about our mixed media kit, it's all about building your mediums, but it is also a standalone kit because we give you a little project so you can open this up and get started right away using your mediums if this is the only kit that you do. And again, make sure you're subscribed because we do lives using our mixed media kit, and our designers post videos all the time, which is available to anyone to watch. So let's get into this kit. First off, you're going to get this jewel effect paste, and it's in Tiger's Eye Stone. It's this pretty bronzy color, and it's got really pretty gold flecks in it. But it's a texture paste, so you can use it through a stencil or whatever. And speaking of stencils, you're going to get this 6x6 stencil. You're also going to get 2 things of perfect pearls, one in perfect gold and one in perfect pearl. These are lot of fun to use. You're also going to get some clear ultra high embossing powder. This is really nice to use if you want to make a crackle effect and you don't want to wait for the liquid crackle. You can put this in layers, and then once it's dry and it's hard, you can go ahead and crack it yourself. So that'll be a lot of fun to use. You're also going to get a package of these Scrapyard Butterfly Mechanicals. And then you're going to get this 8-inch round canvas panel. It's flat. It's not the deep one. It's the flat one. And then you're also going to get a sheet of rice paper. Now, we've had lots of rice paper before. I love rice paper. It's a lot of fun to use. And we're also going to throw in a little bit of the gauze too. If you check out our latest live, I did use some of this in the latest project. But this is our mixed media kit. And like I said, it retails for $47. And everything you can find on our website at www.trejoliekits.com. And this has been Kim for Trejolie Kits. Again, hit the subscribe button, turn your notifications to all, like and comment on this video, and we'll see you on our next one. Bye.